Hello? Anybody here? Mafu, look! Whoa! I've never seen a bookshelf with so many books! Come on, let's read one.
Let's see now.
So what did you get?
I got
This. The Legend of the Approximate Treasure. The what? The Legend of the Approximate Treasure. Who in the world would name their treasure why don't we just read the book? Okay. Okay. Good. So, once upon a time, there was a treasure-seeking pirate named Captain Eyepatch, the treasure hunter, and his faithful companion, Tomo, his childhood friend and first mate. Captain, according to the map, the approximate treasure should be on that island. Finally! After all these years, the treasure will be mine! Ha 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 ha. Laughing is hard. And after they landed, they wandered through the island. They searched day and night. Days turned into weeks through blazing heat, biting cold, and howling storms. They walked for what felt like forever, but the treasure was nowhere to be found.
Captain. Yes? We've been searching for who knows how long, and we still can't find the treasure.
You're right, Tomo. Do you think we should give up?
Well, we did give it our all, and I'm tired.
Yeah, all that hard work, just for nothing. Wait, Tomo. What's that you're sitting on?
Oh, this? It's just an old chest that's been here ever since we landed.
Wait, what? Is that the approximate treasure? You mean it's been there the whole time? Right in front of... Wait a minute. Approximate. In front of me. In front of me.
Are you kidding me? The treasure is just right in front of me. Literally, right in front of me. Calm down, Captain. Look, we have the treasure. All we need to do now is bring this thing to our ship and we'll be rich. And so, they carried the treasure, and just as they were heading towards the boat... By the way, Captain, I heard an old pirate rumor that the approximate treasure is cursed. We'll worry about that later, Tomo. Besides, we haven't even opened the chest. At that moment, the ground opened up and the two pirates were swallowed by the ground. They clawed with all their might, but no matter how hard they tried, they kept slipping down. But then, just as all hopes were lost...
The last page is missing!
No. No, this can't be happening! Where is it? Where's the last page?
Well, that was just swell. I guess we'll just have to invent our own ending. Hey, that just gives me an idea. What if a dragon came and rescued them? Really? A dragon? In a pirate story? Why not? Oh, can I guess? After the dragon saved the pirates, they opened up a smoothie bar. Hey, that could work. Are you serious? Think about it. The furry smoothie lair. Or the Miao latte coolers. No, wait. The cappuccino juicers. Oh, I got it. The dragon fruit boba tail. Dragon fruit boba tail, fresh like the breeze. Smoothie so cool, put your mind at ease. Dragon fruit boba tail, louder than my sister's sneeze. Mafu, where are you going? Well, I guess she doesn't like any smoothies. Mafu, wait for me. Thanks for watching. Did you spot Neelop? Comment on how many times you saw him. Let's see who gets it right. Bye! Mafu, wake up! Huh?
What is it, Tofu?
I just want to ask, were you sleeping? Mafu? Are you mad at me?